All right, welcome back to this series on different forms in React. Last part, we did a custom form hook, which I thought was really fun. Now we're going to go back to somewhat of the basics, and we're going to look at the form data. So let's go ahead and paste our base form, which has no functionality, just looks, and we're going to call this our form data form. Go ahead and call this form data form. And we're going to name this form data form. Let's go bring it into our app. Form data form. Data. Awesome. Okay, so this is going to be really similar to what we're going to do in the future when we bring up Next.js, which is not for a couple more videos, but eventually we'll switch to Next.js and try a bunch of new things. But let's just stick with Vite and React. And so, form data hook, or form data form. Let's see, just look at my notes real quick. And yeah, so here, because we gave every input a name property, just go ahead and create our submit handler already. We don't need to do anything else with our actual component. So let's do a handle submit. Let's go ahead and make that function. Const handle submit. It's going to take in the event. We have to type it out. So react.form event, HTML form element. And Typescript gets a little bit annoying with this method, but it's still pretty easy to work with because we don't have to make any states or anything. So let's prevent default so it doesn't refresh. And then we can do this. We can do const form is equal to event.target as HTML form element. Okay. Now we can do const form data is equal to new form data with our form. And then we can get our values like this. So const email is equal to form data dot get email. So this get is associated with the name of the element. We gave every element a name. So name email is associated to the email. And for all the other forms. So we can kind of copy this down 4 more times. Username. Password. Color and bio. And we can go and just log everything. So let's just go ahead. Console.log. Email, username, password, color, and bio. Save. So let's go ahead and do that. So form data at email.com. Username is form data. Password is form data. Color we can do, let's do red. Bio, this is form data. And submit. There we go. We got all of our data here. See in our console ninja extension here. And this might be a lot. This is the way I do it whenever I'm working with form data, which is kind of what you do a lot in Next.js these days. But if you want something a little bit more cleaner, you could just do this. Let's just do it up here. Const data is equal to object dot from entries form data. And you might ask, why would you not do it this way? And I really don't have a reason. I feel like something happened in the past that made me want to do this. I think it has something to do with different kinds of inputs, but when you're using just text inputs, for the most part, I think it's okay just to do this. It's one-liner. So let's just go ahead and log this. Submit. Yep, we get the exact same thing. And the cool thing is, since we have a reference to our form, when we want to reset, all we have to do is do form.reset. So let's go ahead and submit this one more time and see the form reset. There we go. And that's the form data form. Very, very useful in Next.js these days, and also very nice because we don't have to use any states or any React hooks here.